Good morning, friends. Today is November 4th, 2020. So please make sure to write the date at the top right-hand corner of your page and write number corner. Press pause if you need more time. Alrighty, friends, here is our calendar from yesterday. So we are going to add one more hour on our clock. And I want you to draw a clock that shows 3 o'clock, and then underneath your clock, write 3 o'clock. So today we are making 3 o'clock a.m. So we've gone 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m. Again, draw the clock and write the time, 3 o'clock a.m. Press pause if you need more time. All right, now friends, we are making a prediction about what will be on today's card. So on the first day, we had one full cookie. The second day, we had one bear eat the one cookie. On our third day, we see a cookie and it is split into 2 parts. It is split in half or 2 parts. So what will we see on today's card? Next to number 2, write a prediction about what you will see behind today's card. Write the number you will see and tell me about the picture. Press pause if you need more time. Alrighty, friends, yesterday we were in school for 32 days. We are going to add one more day in school, and now we have 33. So for how many days in school, we are going to write an addition equation, subtraction equation, make tally marks to show that number, coins, and then we also need to add base 10. I'm going to see if I can quick find a picture so you know. So the base 10 blocks, if I'm using these base 10 blocks, I'm going to look at how many 10 sticks, how many 1 blocks, and so that would be the 5th way to represent that number. Okay, so we have, again, for the number 33, we are making an addition equation that equals 33, a subtraction equation that equals 33, tally marks to show 33, coins that have a value of 33 cents, and the base 10 model with the 10 sticks and 1 blocks. Press pause if you need more time. Number 4, I want you to skip count by 5s to 120. Start at 5, put commas between your numbers, all the way up to 120. Good job today, friends. You've got this and do your best.